It has stopped raining. The sun is out. It's high noon. Sun is so bright I have trouble seeing what I'm recording, but I wanted to record the rest of the garden. This is a view from afar. It's quite wild. This is the rock wall that I've been working on for many years, trying to keep from eroding down to this lower level. Look at, there's a baby oak. That one I can't believe has survived. There's a penstemon that I just planted. I do like that. That was an area that still needed some help with erosion, so I put that into this year. The new stairs. Nothing new with the wall here. There's an eggplant planted there. It does get a lot of afternoon sun, so we'll see how it does. It doesn't look heroic or anything at this moment. The natives that I've put in here look quite nice. Again, some of that sage I got on a walk. There's lavender back here that's transplanted from the front. Here I've gotten the raised beds going again. Tomatoes and peppers and broccoli. Potatoes there. There's another tomato over there. Here is going to be a Three Sisters planting. The corn is starting to come up. Around the edges I have some cilantro and spinach. Since it has such a short season, I'm hoping before everything else gets going, I'll harvest the stuff in the edges. There's a jay wanting to join the party, so he got shy. So back to the watermelon where I abruptly ended the other day. Actually, it does look a smidgen better. Maybe it'll live. Oh my god, I hope so. Certainly none for sale now. It's too late in the year. All sold out. Virginia creeper. There is a milkweed. That's one of the sunflowers I planted. And strawberries. This whole area really started out as a place to plant elderberries. And the elderberries are, this one I'm not sure is going to make it. I'm actually doubting it. They were just cuttings that I got, that I put in the ground just before we got our huge storm. Again, more strawberries and walla wallas around it. And there's some broccoli I just put in. That looks pretty happy. This is daylilies from the front. There's a total of 12 sunflowers sprouting back here. Here's another elderberry. See the leaf? It's still there. And then here's arugula and a green lettuce tower. Arugula sprouting. Nothing from the lettuce yet. These are two kinds of carrots. One with a relatively short growing season. The second, the one in the back, 240-day growing season. That's crazy. They overwinter. I think I see starts. Look, there's greenery. Those little things, they're starting. So, carrots to come. This whole area has started to be reworked this year because we had gotten the fence fixed. It was falling in on us. So now that's fixed, we started. Here's where some aspens were. They all died out. They had to be removed. So I have my Air, Bee, and Bug Shanty Town. Some more natives in there. Oh, here, we'll take a closer look. This is where I put one of the oak babies. Remember the cotton Easter up front? Where'd it go? I lost it. There it is. Look. That had about 4 little tiny leaves on it when I brought it back here, and it's lasted 2 huge winters. The Spirea is starting to get a bud. Serviceberry, Penstemon, Clematis. Another baby oak. There was a bush out front that I told you the deer were eating. 2 years old. This one I put in last fall. Clearly much bigger than the one that's been chomped on so much up front. That little flower pot is my bumblebee nest. I have no idea if anything's in there. Doubt it. Here's my rock wall. This is kind of tranquil out here too. And here is an elderberry that I planted last year. It's quite grand. They say they grow better with more than one variety, so that's why I wanted to put the other ones in. Can't see that flower very well. There it is. Very delicate. Another wild native. Alright. Snowberry and serviceberry, both natives. There you have it.